Hi, it's Jess from the customer team. Let's find out how to control rates in Preno. So from the homepage, we can go to the rates tab up here and it'll show you a list of all the room types and rates on your property. And at the very bottom here, under the rates history, you can track all the changes made, which is very handy, and by who. Up the top here, you can click on the calendar to jump to any particular month. And once you click into it, it allows you to swipe to the very left and right to get a 1 month view. Along the top here we have the rooms remaining, so you can see on any particular day how many rooms are available, and so you can adjust the rate accordingly. And then along the left here we have all the rates as well. You can add as many as you like, there's no limit. If you see a little label here such as connected or channel manager, it means this particular rate is connected to your channel manager and is pushing updates to your OTAs or online travel agents. If you have a rate like this that has no label above it, it means it is offline. And so if I click into a rate, you can see the different options here. You can delete the rate, edit the rate name, or check out the advanced edit options. It allows you to change the rate amount, minimum nights, rate availability, also known as stop sell, where you turn the rate off and stop people from booking, and then the close to arrival and departure. So this awesome feature allows you to stop people from checking in or out on a particular day, especially Christmas Day or any special days where you want a day off. If you want more detail, you can check it out in our online library. And so to add a rate is very simple. So for the 2-bedroom unit, let's add one here. You go to configure rate, add another rate, and then let's just add a rack rate here and make it $200. Submit. So we usually recommend to customers to have one rack rate per room type, so it's easy to control. You can flex it throughout the year to represent the high and low seasons, which is very easy. So for this one, I would just go to rack rate, advanced edit, and rate amount. So let's say for the winter season, it's my low season, so I'll go 1st of April, maybe actually 1st of May until July, and I'll have all of these days selected. If I don't want it, just untick it, and I'll set it to $100. Easy as that. And so any updates here, if this was connected, would push to your channel manager and OTAs. And also we have another feature called derived rates. So this is a dynamic rate feature which allows you to change the rates dynamically and saves you a lot of time. So for example, we have a rack rate, and if you wanted to create multiple rates that are attached to it, you just do this. So rack rate, actually I'll go configure rate, add another rate, and we go to derived. So let's say we have booking.com and we want to derive it from our rack rate. You can choose to increase or decrease by amount or percentage, up to you. I'll just select increase amount and I'll just bump it up to maybe 250. And then the minimum nights can be inherited from the base, or you can select one here. Submit. Great, so this shows whenever I update the rack rate here, it will automatically calculate it for the booking.com rate. So I don't have to change these two rates separately. And these little numbers here, the 1 next to the rate, just simply displays the minimum night set. So at the moment, by default, it's all 1, but this one is 2. And this is how you manage rates in Preno.